Anything you can do, we can do better. Some would suggest that may have been the message behind a somewhat increased presence by American aircraft carriers to ports surrounding China in recent days. First, the USS Ronald Reagan arrived in Hong Kong for a pre-planned visit. Then the US's biggest and most up-to-date ship, the nuclear-powered 5,000-man 70-fighter jet USS George Washington, appeared for a diplomatic show of strength in Vietnam. The reason? This: China's first aircraft carrier. It's an old Soviet ship, but it's spent the last 10 years being stripped apart and rebuilt as a thoroughly modern aircraft carrier, and it was launched in early August. China insists its vessel is simply a training ship and is not intended for war, but that hasn't stopped nations such as Vietnam feeling rather nervous. Both China and the US claim their carriers are in the area for peaceful purposes, but both are making a very powerful, if quiet, statement.